A very great morning, everyone. Myself Vedika Sandip Dhawani, and I am from class 7B. Today, I will show you my PPT making on my topic Indus Valley Civilization. So, started. This is the image of Indus Valley Civilization. The civilization was the subcontinent. It was discovered by archaeologists in the 1880s. It developed along the Indus River and the Ghagar-Harkat River, and even that areas are now in modern Pakistan, Northwest and Afghanistan. The civilization started during the Bronze Age, and the height of its development was between 2500 BC and 1500 BC, including the civilizations directly before and after. It may have lasted from the 33rd to the 14th century BC. The Indus Valley civilization covered a large area of Palestine to Gujarat. The first city to be discovered by excavation was Harappa, and therefore this civilization is also known as Harappan civilization. They were good builders. The ruins of the site show skillful design. Their buildings had two or sometimes more stories. The bathrooms were attached to the rooms. One of the unique features of the city was its elaborated drainage system. A brick-lined drain channel flowed alongside every street. Removable bricks were placed at regular intervals for easy cleaning and inspection. The Harappan traders used seals on the knots of the snacks to be transported to make sure that they were not opened during the journey. Nobody knows how to read their writing system. In 1842, Charles Mason wrote a book that maintained the sites of the Indus Valley civilization. Few people paid attention. Later, in 1921 to 22, John Marshall organized the first archaeological dig at Harappa. It was some images of jewelries and ornaments of Indus Valley civilization. Jewelry in Indus Valley civilization is among the most commonly found relics and artifacts of the Harappan society. The traditional art of the India recommends a richness and profaneness, and the jewelry ornamented by both men and women during that period. Ornaments made up of gold, silver, copper, ivory, pottery, and beads have been discovered in this civilization, as they were the most commonly used materials to make jewelry. The people of the Indus Valley civilization were the first to explore the crafts of jewelry making, and their skills and workmanship is renowned around the world to this day. This is also some images of Indus Valley civilization, jewelries. It is some information about. It is clay bangles that women and men are. By 1500 BC, the population of the Indus Valley was creating molds for metals and terracotta ornaments. Gold jewelry from the civilizations also consisted from the civilization of bracelets, necklaces, bangles, ear ornaments, rings, head ornaments, brooches, scrolls, etc. Here, the bead trade was in a full swing, and they were made using simple techniques. All through, women wore jewelry in the most. Some men in the Indus Valley wore beads. Small beads were often crafted to be placed in men and women's hair. The beads were so small that they usually measured in at only 1 millimeter in diameter. This is some bangles made up of brass worn by women. It is some information of these bangles. Toys of Indus Valley civilization. It is one of the image of toys of Indus Valley civilization. The history of Indus Valley civilization has been very intricate so far, and looking at such history from player perspective has completely opened up a new world of knowledge. This write-up is a continuation of the previous blog, which shed light upon the fact that the people, especially adults, did engage in many constructive and physically active games. Time and again, literature review and archaeological excavation has also proved that play had equal importance to children of this civilization. The National Museum of Delhi and Pakistan has a number of artifacts displayed that the archaeologists have been able to recover from excavation. Numerous toys were recovered made of clay, which were especially made of for children, which lead us to believe the fact that children did involve themselves in lot of games. Without much ado, let's take a look at kinds. This is some information about. Now, these are some facts of Indus Valley civilization. With this, I remain. Thank you and have a nice day.